That's the now 50 seed. I No. See?
Is that Andrew? Is that little boy's name Andrew?
Yeah.
Last time? I don't want. That's not something you play with, sweetheart. Get your backpack and go. Come on.